Hello, I'm Tracy Neale from Argo Yachting in Mallorca. Today I'm in sunny Saxdor and I'm here to show you this award-winning Saxdor 270. Right, now we're aft of the boat. The first thing you see is this amazing Mercury 225 V6 engine, which will power the boat to exhilarating speeds and give you some amazing fun on the water. It also has a ski pole for those wanting water sports or wakeboarding. It's a detachable pole that just drops into there, absolutely seamless and easy to use. You also see it's configured with the soft decking. It's soft, it's comfortable, it's durable. You can wash it, and the best thing about here, when it's really hot, it doesn't get too hot on your feet, so you're not going to blister in your feet every 2 minutes you're in and out of the water. Aft of the boat here, you have these really useful lockers. This one has got fenders in, and there's one on the other side as well, which is where the deck shower is as well. On the transom area, there's also a pull-out ladder, so it's on and out of the water is so easy. It's couldn't get better than this, could it? And this is configured with a sunpad area. There's various configurations for these boats, but this one is the sunpad area. As you can see, it's fitted with this beautiful Sahara sand upholstery. It even has grab handles here, which is a great idea when you're underway. And the whole system folds and gives you a complete bathing area, or as you can see from here, you can configure it for dining or comfort or when you're underway. As you can see, with the versatility of this seating, you can convert it into a pad with infills. You've got the table, which is the teak table, the dining. Again, talking versatility, the whole system seamlessly pulls back. So you've got dining comfortably for 6 people, 6 adults. Fridges are underneath there. The table comes across. It's a beautiful teak table, again adding value to the whole of the boat, just a sense of quality that you don't get on boats of this price range usually. Well, here we are at the business end of the boat, the helm. This is obviously steering wheel. You've got trim tab control. This has got the catapult windlass system for the anchor that's controlled there. It also has a remote control, which makes it so easy if you're on your own. It has an array of switches there, the halo switches, all illuminated to operate cockpit lights, logo lights, wipers, bilge pumps, and an array of features. Has a bow thruster. There's your ignition switch, all controlled, and electronic throttle, which is so smooth. We've just been out on this and done almost 38 knots. It's just absolutely exhilarating performance. It's a fantastic boat. Here's the Simrad control panel. It's a 12-inch screen, touch screen. You've got all the engine display there from the Mercury vessel view. And you just click on there, you've got your charts and all the other information, GPS, everything you need to know, depth finder, all at the touch of a button. This is configured with 3 seats, so you get 3 adults comfortably sitting here, and there's a footrest here, which is really useful as well. So if you're sitting here and you're underway and you want more comfort, the passenger can raise the feet there. Through there is the cabin, the lower cabin and toilet accommodation. It's incredibly spacious for the size of the boat. Got 2 mattresses there. 2 adults can be comfortably lying there overnight or for a weekend. It's contrasting light oak trim. The fusion control there, the main electricity panel. There's a sink, really useful storage underneath that, and most useful, a nice electric toilet. You've got these incredibly high sides. It just feels really safe walking. And it's an asymmetric system. So to the right hand side, there's 2 steps. So if you're side berthing, you can get out quite comfortably. If you want access to the front safely, just go up the port side. And here we are with this, again, optional seating and upholstery. This is all the Sahara beige to match the rest of the boat. Got Fusion speakers which are illuminated. We've got 4 of those on here. They're 6.5-inch speakers, so the sound is phenomenal, and the way they're ported, it gives it a really rich sound. Forward of this is your anchor locker, which is automatic from the dashboard or from the remote control. Underneath this cushion is the hatch, the escape hatch from the cabin, so that floods lots of natural light through there, giving you a sense of space. There's also this panel here, which is thick glass. You can walk on that, but that floods light into the cabin. And these really important additions, which is where you can put your bottle of rosé wine and a couple of glasses. Well, to summarise, here we are. I'm at the aft seating on this amazing Saxdor 270. This will give you, your family, really enjoyable boating for incredibly value for money. It's in stock, it's ready for delivery, so get in touch by all the methods below. We'd love to hear from you. And please, if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. We'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching.